Okay, so guess what? A while back, I ordered this really nice case. Well, this case is for my iPad, and it's a nice case. I got it on Amazon. It was fairly inexpensive. Due to a incident where I accidentally sold my Xbox and didn't realize that there was an active button to trade in my Xbox and all this other crap. I ended up getting a credit at the end of the day for it, regardless on whether you want it or not. I screwed up on that one. Oh well. But I realized that I had a credit and I wanted to use it for something. I thought of a lot of different stupid things that I can actually spend money on. And here's the thing. I think this case is okay, but it's not the best. I think what I needed was a new case. Hence, the package from DHL. That's a Sopranos joke. If you've seen the final season of Sopranos, you get it. DHL. So, here's the package. It actually came from Bogota. This actually was processed extremely fast. It's from Capra. No, Capra. Spelled C-A-P-R-A. I ordered this on, what day was that? Yeah, I ordered this on the 12th, and it looks like, yeah, it arrived on the 15th. I mean, it got there a lot faster than I thought, my package. This is my new case. So I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna try to be extremely gentle with it because I'm gonna use something in my pocket here. There it is. How you do that? Oh, there we go. Just nicely slice that open right there. I want to accidentally cut it open. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, it's wrapped in a little baggie. Ooh, smells like Bogota. Okay, put this to the side for a second. It's in its own little case. This is really nice. And, oh, I'm impressed. This is my case. The monogram. You got the monogram. It's nice. I don't know if you can see it. Yep. Oh, look at that. That is flipping awesome right there. Yeah. Oh, that is awesome. Oh, this is so sweet. They actually gave me a little thanks here, and an actual person signed it. So this is my new case. Oh man, that smells good. Oh, the leather is thicker than I thought it was gonna be, but it is exactly what I expected it to be. So let's disassemble this one here. The old one, yeah, you can put paper in there. Great. The old one, yeah, I can put my business cards in there. Great. The old one, yeah, I can put my iPad in there. And my pencil. Put that to the side. Ooh. Almost forgot. It's a blueberry pop. This is good. Okay. Intermission is over. So here is my pencil. And apparently the pencil goes right in there. See, this is nice because this time with the old case was about putting the pencil inside. But if you put the pencil inside of this, the proper way, which is tip first, the top just kind of pops off. Just like that. At the end of the day, I had to end up putting it in reverse, going back first, tip to the front, That way I can grab it and pull it in and out without having an issue. It became kind of annoying. Whereas this one is very proper and a little on the firmer side, but your pencil tip goes in there and it stays in there. This is actually nice. And it doesn't go all the way, so you end up having to be able to grab it at any point, which is nice. I like that. And as for, well, let me get this out of the way. It's just extra junk here. You don't need this. There we go. And as for the iPad itself, this is a really nice case. It fits nice and firm. Now, take in mind that I do have a case on. Oh, something's in here. What the hell? Oh, what the hell? Okay. Bonus piece of leather. I don't know what I'll do with it. This is weird. I think this accidentally fell in there. I don't know. I don't get this. What the hell? Okay. I think someone's missing a piece of equipment somewhere. Okay. Anyway, let's try this again. There we go. Nice fit. This is kind of nice here. This is it right here. This is, wow, love that smell. So this is my case, my new case. The case is extremely nice, and it even has a nice little slot for my pencil, a more proper slot. I like that. Just feels kind of like a little bit like suede on the inside, but this heavy grain feels really good on the outside here. So how much are we talking about here? So prices. The prices are, this cost me $125 at the end of the day. Check below for the pricing. It's not a bad price on Amazon. There is another website out there that sells it cheaper, but I just happen to have a credit, so I went ahead and used it. You got to use it before you lose it, people, especially in New York State. So if you lived here, you'd understand. So again, this is my iPad Pro and 12-inch. I don't know why I got $5 on there, you know, just an awesome thing to do. I do that sometimes. But if I didn't have this case, how would it feel? Give me 1 second. Because I've got a little thin case over here that I keep on there. Oh, that feels even better. It slides in really nice and easy. I like this. Very nice. Very, very nice. So I've oogled and googled over this here for the past couple minutes. Again, this is from Capra, and it's spelled C-A-P-R-A. And you're welcome. Thank you guys. Their website is actually capraleather.com, but I got it from Amazon. Like I said, I got it. I like it. Nobody's actually sponsoring this here. This is my personal equipment that I wanted to get because I kept seeing it over and over and over again. And I kept saying to myself, you know, I don't have an extra $100 to spend. But in this particular case, I had $100 plus to spend. So I like what I got here. And again, it comes with this case. This little bag to put it in. I guess, you know, you know what? I've seen Coach do this here. They give you little bags to put stuff in case you're not using it for the season. Okay, so here is my leather case. Now, I took it outside. You may have seen this if you watch other videos of mine. The problem with going outside is, yes, I live near an airport, so because of that, you're gonna hear car noises and so forth, and you're also gonna hear airplane noises. So here comes some cars right now, but you get a chance to see my actual case out in the sun, and you can see how nice it actually looks. Gonna get inside here real quick. And like I said, there is nothing compared to actually seeing this thing here in person. And there's the guy's logo and everything. It's an extremely nice case. Look how thick that is. You know, it's two pieces. This is one piece of leather from here going all the way around to the other side, and then there's a second piece of leather right here. That is absolutely immaculate. And like I said before, this is where you put your pencil, your Apple Pencil. You would always go tip first. Bingo. And mine is a little on the tighter side because I got an extra sleeve, a little case over my iPad, but there's the iPad right there. And just goes in nice and neatly. This is the inside of the case. There's really nothing in there per se. It's just empty, hollow. It's a nice little sleeve. And like I said before, I got mine monogrammed, so this is really, really nice. I love that. And that concludes the video. Hope you like it. Check it out. As far as I can see, no one has a video on this here, so hopefully I'm the first. But this is the 12.9-inch iPad Pro case. Love it.